But let's talk about this jury view, because that has been the big conversation today. The defense wants these jurors to be inside of that convenience store, seeing how everything is laid out, I presume, and they want it to happen before the defendant testifies. So can you first just talk about the jury view? What do you think it could help with the facts that we have in this case, outside of all those pictures that we have?
This is extremely important. Julia, I've never been at this store. I have to assume that the defense believe that the jury doing a jury view will help them, because maybe the area is a rough area. Maybe the entrance to the store has a bunch of hidden corridors and blind spots for Taz, right? So maybe what they're going to be able to say is, look, Taz works every day on the bottom left side of the building in his office. He has his cameras here. The cameras have these following blind spots. So for all he knew, so he came with a knife. Him coming to the interaction with a knife was reasonable. He didn't come with a gun. He came with a knife, because it's very, very conceivable that the victim would have had at least a knife, maybe a gun. So there was a blind spot here and a blind spot there. And so this is why him coming to the interaction was reasonable. And then it escalated from there when Mark Garrity kicked him in the leg and yada, yada, yada. So the jury view, Julia, in my opinion, is it's so crucial. And it's important that it happened before Taz testified, because Taz is going to be testifying a bunch of things that the jury won't know if they don't have a jury view. So I think it's very important, and the timing is important.
So the jury has not obviously heard from Taz himself yet, but they did hear a police interview with him speaking to police after this incident. Let's take a moment to look back at that.